Today I will test the protection of Insta360 1X. I have both protection. The first one is the silicone and another one is a hard shell for the rain area only. First, about the hard shell. This one I bought it from Aliexpress and I am not so impressed because it's a defect one. The locking system cannot hold both sides. I need to use a hot gun and reshape again like this. But in this time I just show you how does it work. And when you compare the size of a lens in the outer ring here, it should be stay here in this area like this. After you install, it can move a little bit, but it's very hard. If it lock, if it lock, it's firm, but I think it's still moving a little bit. And do it another side. It still move around. And plastic may scratch to your lane in the border area of a lane like this. It may, but in fact I don't know. If you ask me, I want to use this. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this one. But the plastic is very hard because I think this one is higher than the lens it can protect. And another one, a silicone. This I also bought from Aliexpress. And if you want to use it, you just put it in. Good looking. But it may not so good enough if you use in the high heat area because it cannot release the hot inside. This have a slot to remove battery. How about this one? Oh, it's good one. So I will try to shoot some photo for you first to make more clear about is invisible or not for the around the camera lens. Let it try it first. Someone may ask me, can I use it only a cap? Okay, I will try it for you. I will try the cap only. It loose and it cannot. It can hold, but it's feeling like a very loose. It's not so tight, but it can be used. So we finish our test, and if you ask me what protection of a camera that I intend to use, right now I think the original one is my recommend to use, because it's very soft and it will not scratch to your lens. This is my recommend. And how about you? You can comment and share me in the below section. Thank you for your watching.